So the everyday essentials you choose are important. They can boost your daily routine. It's helpful to get advice on what to buy and why. Here's lifestyle editor Joann Butler with her top picks.
Well, for me right now, it's all about the little things you can do in your everyday life to make it easy and more pleasurable, starting with the everyday task of doing your laundry. And Gain, the scent experts of laundry, have just taken their game up a notch with their brand new line of mood-benefiting detergents inspired by 3 must-have essential oils, and they're fab. They give your clothes a fantastic fragrance that really lasts, and still a great clean, of course, that you always get from Gain. There's a lavender and calm chamomile with the calming aroma of chamomile petals and floral notes, which just oozes serenity. An orange and energetic grapefruit, which is just really uplifting and brightens your mood. And finally, a eucalyptus and mindful mint, which gives you the ultimate zen-like spa feeling. My entire closet smells amazing right now from my clothes. Sells for about $4 for 16 loads at most retailers. You can't go wrong. Check out ilovegain.com to find a store near you where you can pick some up. My latest beauty obsession this summer is Herbal Essence's Potent Aloe collection. Believe it or not, the same aloe you might use to soothe sunburned skin can also help keep your hair healthy and hydrated this summer. Herbal Essences works in partnership with the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew, a world leader in plant science, to bring real botanicals like Sustainable Harvest hand-picked aloe vera to this BioRenew lineup. This is the Potent Aloe and Mango. It smells like vacation, and since I'm not going anywhere right now, it's an everyday essential for sure. The collection includes 4 sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, 2 misting oil treatments, and a curl cream, so there's something for everyone. You can pick these up right at the drugstore or grocery store. Now, of course, there's no greater everyday essential than sun protection, and I'm so excited to tell you about one of my favorites, La Roche-Posay. They've been a pioneer in sun protection for more than 30 years, known really for developing cutting-edge, revolutionary, advanced sunscreens that not only work on another level, but have really elegant textures that just feel amazing on your skin. In particular, the Anthelios 60 Melton Milk, a favorite for many for years, actually. And this year, they've developed Anthelios 100 Melton Milk with the same award-winning texture, and this is for those that have sun-sensitive skin and burn easily. It's their highest SPF. Both of these are made with a special synergistic technology called Celloc Shield that combines broad-spectrum UV filters to protect from UVA, which are aging rays, and UVB, which are burning rays, without oxybenzone. Plus, they have powerful antioxidant protection. Find it right at Target, Ulta, Walgreens, CVS, and on Amazon.com and LaRochePosay.us. These come in 2 sizes, $21.99 to $35.99.